Welcome back, children. So as I stated yesterday, today I will be giving you some practical examples to prove Newton's first law of motion. Now imagine you are sitting in a train. The train is in the platform and it is not moving. Right? Now, as soon as the train starts moving, what happens? You get a jerk backwards. Right? Why it happens? Why does it happen? Now, whenever you are sitting in your place and the train is not in motion, your body is at rest along with the train. Means the body is maintaining inertia of rest. Right? Now, as soon as the train starts moving, as the train is in motion, your back, which is in contact with the seat of the train, starts moving forward, but the upper part of your body maintains its state of rest. As a result, the back portion moves forward and the head moves backward. So you get a jerk backwards. Clear, children? So here the top portion of the body tries to maintain the inertia of rest, due to which your body gets a jerk in the backward direction. Now think of a second situation. You are standing in a bus which is moving. Right? So as the bus is moving, you are standing in the bus, your body is also moving. So your whole body is maintaining inertia of motion. Now all of a sudden the driver applies brakes, due to which the bus stops. What will happen? As soon as the bus stops, your feet, which is in contact with the floor of the bus, comes to rest. But the top portion of the body will try to maintain its state of motion due to inertia of motion. As a result, you will have a tendency to fall forward. Right? So the upper portion of the body tries to maintain its state of motion due to inertia of motion. As a result of which, you will tend to fall in the forward direction. Right? So I gave you two examples. One more example. If you try to get down a running train, what will happen? As the train is moving, naturally you are standing at the door and now you want to jump to the platform. As your body is in motion, is in a state of motion. Why? Due to the train which is in state of motion. Your whole body is in state of motion. Now in that position you are jumping out of the moving train. As soon as your feet touches the ground, the feet comes to rest. But the top portion of the body tries to maintain its state of motion in the same direction as that of the train, due to which you will fall down and you will have an accident. So that is why never try to jump out of a running train. One more example. You must have seen that for dusting curtain you understand? When you beat a curtain with the help of a stick in order to remove the dust. Now why do dust fall off? That is because the dust which is in the curtain is at rest. When you hit the curtain with a stick, the curtain moves away, but the dust particle tries to maintain its state of rest due to inertia of rest. As a result, in doing so, it falls down because the curtain moves away from its place, but the dust particle does not want to move away from its place due to inertia of rest. Hence, it falls down. Clear, children? One more thing. You must have seen that when you shake the branches of a tree, the fruits fall down. What is the reason? Same thing. In a tree, the fruit is hanging from the branches. It maintains its state of rest, that is due to inertia of rest. When you start shaking the branches, what will happen? The branch will be in motion. It will start moving. Now, as it will start moving, the fruit, due to inertia of rest, will try to maintain its state of rest. As a result, it will drop down because due to motion, the branch has moved away and the fruit is trying to maintain its inertia of rest, as a result of which the fruit falls down. Right, children? One more example. Imagine on a glass you have kept a card, playing card, and above that playing card you have kept a 5 rupee coin. Then with your finger you strike the side of the card. When you strike, what you see? You will find that the card flies off, but the coin drops down inside the glass. Why it has happened? Why the coin did not fly off along with the card? That is because the coin was in a state of rest and it tried to maintain its state of rest due to inertia of rest. So when a force is exerted on the card moved away, but the coin, due to inertia of rest, tried to stay in its own place, and hence, since the card has been moved away, it falls vertically downwards inside the glass. So, right, children, I think I've given you so many examples for explaining the everyday consequences, various aspects in our everyday life in relation to inertia of rest and inertia of motion. So thank you. In our next class, we'll study more about laws of motion. Thank you.